Hello, my greetings and namaskar to all the viewers. Today, in this particular video, I am going to discuss very much talked about topic. Does Reiki healer interfere with patients' karmic debts? A lot of controversy has been created. Some time back I tried to speak in small way, but then looks like there have been hundreds of calls from people confused because there have been statements saying that Reiki healing is not good. Reiki healer should not interfere with others' karmic debts whom he treats. Now this whole subject in a small time I would like to clarify. Answer obviously is Reiki healer does not interfere with anyone's karmic debts. In fact, no one can interfere with others' karmic debts. This is as per Gita. Krishna says so. I don't know how people can interpret that way, that anyone can interfere with anyone's karmic debts. Certainly not. Not even Krishna. He says, you have rights to do your karma, but fruits, nobody has any right. You have to own it. That's it. That's Gita. And that is why he says, don't create fruits, be detached. Anyway, that's a different philosophy. At this moment, we are talking about karmic debts. What is it? Many of us don't understand. In very simple way, it is, you see, to understand, we have been taking births. This physical body keeps changing, one life to another life. And each birth, we have taken certain actions, good and bad. Whatever action we take bears a fruit. Consequences are fruit. It's like you plant a seed, maybe of mango, you are bound to get mango fruits. You can't expect apple there, or you can't expect anything else. Similarly, when you do a karma, you do take some action. It may be a good action, it may be a bad action. Accordingly, the fruits will come, and you have to have these fruits. There is no way out. So, in so many births, we keep doing karmas. It all gets collected. And it's called Sanchit karma. Sanchit, collected karmas. In all lives, maybe so much karma you have collected. It's like a very reliable old bank account you have. And you have been dealing with it. There have been a lot of transactions, all well recorded, well monitored. If you have collected some money and deposited, it's your asset. You have taken some loan, it's your liability. Either way, consequences are yours. You have to clear it. You have to face it. So, Sanchit karma is all your accumulations in that bank, in the divine bank of where we keep records of karmas. The God keeps it. Sanchit karma. When we take a birth is you select some karmas to deal with in the present life. Each life has a purpose. And you have come to this life selecting certain karmas given to you. Out of the Sanchit karma, it is called Prarabdha karma. In this life, you have been given to deal with certain karmas which you had done in past, and you have to deal with the fruits. It's like maybe my bank account is 50 years old, but in this financial year, I want to deal with maybe certain transactions, certain loans I want to repay or do what. You see, this year my target is this. So this is how you plan. Each life also, prarabdha karma is what you have come to deal with based on what you did in past. Some selected karmas, fruits. This birth, you are going to sort out things. And this is called your destiny. No one can interfere. So this is your prarabdha karma. And in this life, only in human beings, God has given you freedom to choose your karma. It's called kriyaman karma. What it means? Each time you do something good or bad in this birth is again going to your bank account of sanchit karma. You have to deal with it. There's no way. So I'm back to the topic. Reiki healer interferes with patients' karmas, karmic debts. No. See, even Krishna says no one can deal with it. No one can interfere. It's you. It's only you who have to deal with it. Like in the bank. It's your account. Your signature is valid. That's it. In fact, in bank sometimes you have joint account. But when it comes to karma's account, karmic debts, you are the single owner of that bank account. No one else can sign. So, now look at this perspective. A Reiki healer, what he should do, what is his karma? The patient is suffering, that was his karma. He has to pay. But Gita says, do your karma. A good karma brings you assets. A bad karma brings liabilities. Any healer, why Reiki healer? Anybody dealing with some kind of a therapy or treatment to people for the benefit of people, if he does it honestly, detached, with sole aim of helping that person, it's a great karma he is doing for himself. In process, he is healing the person, helping the person. That is the right karma. It's not interference. It's wrongly put, maybe. Somebody said, or some people said. But truth is, if you look at Gita, it clarifies. It's another matter that people have been interpreting Gita in so many ways. Krishna has always clarified this in Gita in quite uncertain terms. Karma you own and you have to deal with it. No one else can play any role in it. And this birth, you are doing karmas. Again, that is your kriyaman karma. And here you are collecting karmas, good or bad, which is going and accumulating into your main account, sanchit karma. So, to conclude, once again I would like to emphasize. Emphatically, I would like to once again say, Reiki healer should do his job, helping people. Not to be scared of such talks given, maybe, that you interfere with someone's suffering. Not at all. Who are you? Who are we? Anyone for that matter. We cannot interfere. But you should do your job. Your job is to help. That's a good karma. Do your good karma. Do your healing. And to substantiate, remember, millions of people have learned Reiki in the world. It's the most commonly accepted therapy world over. And it is just growing because of the merit. Anyone who follows Reiki in good tradition will tell you it's only got positive results. There's nothing negative. There's no harmful side effect. There's nothing bad. It's another matter, some people may be misusing the name of Reiki and doing something else, which brings bad name. Once again, Reiki does not interfere with anyone's karmic debts. Feel free to do Reiki. Learn Reiki, practice Reiki, heal people. Very best to you. Namaskar.